Hi. Well, first of all, welcome back.
Yeah.
We decided last night, because it's the bank holiday weekend, our plans have changed a little bit. So we decided to go on a little adventure. We are not going to venture very far. We're going to go to Brighton. We found this really nice hotel called the Artist Residence. So we're going to go there, have a nice night there and enjoy Brighton for a bit. We haven't really got plans. Also, it's very sunny in London and I don't think it's going to be as sunny in Brighton.
It's quite annoying because I've got my sunglasses and I never wear sunglasses really. But yeah, they'll be keeping the rain out my eyes.
So I made some, oh my God, look at my terrible fake tan lines. If you're watching this and you are my mother, please do not leave hate comments about my
real tan, guys.
about my fake tan. I made some coffee for the journey. We're just about to set off. I've drank about half of it waiting for Nick to get ready.
The other half's mine. Then.
So yeah, come along with us to Brighton.
All right.
We are here. Hang on. That's the i360. We're just on our way to Yeastie Boys Pizza, which looks kind of like Yard Sale or Voodoo Rays.
No sleep till Brooklyn, this Beastie Boys song, or they fought for their right
Okay,
to
enough. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go there. We're gonna figure out the plan for the rest of the afternoon. It's now like 1:15. Oh God, I just tripped.
Oh, she fell over.
So yeah, we're gonna plan the rest of our afternoon, evening. We'll keep you posted. Very hungry.
Okay.
The slices are very big, so hopefully it's not too much of a struggle.
I'm sure you'll manage it. Hello, it's time for a little update.
We ate at Yeastie Boys. It was very good. What was your rating?
I would say service was terrible, but I would say the pizza was actually really good.
Yeah.
So yeah, like 9 out of 10 on the pizzas.
Yeah. If it was a sunny day, we definitely would have gotten them to go, which like there's like an ordering window where you can like order and like leave.
Yeah.
And we could have like walked around with it, but it's a very, as you can see, quite a grey day.
It's definitely colder than I thought. I've now zipped up my gilet, which I didn't even plan to wear. This was for tomorrow.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So that has not gone to plan, but we're now walking down Brighton seafront. I don't know what this main road is called, the Esplanade or whatever. I don't know. And are we going to do arcades? What are we going to do? What are we doing now?
Want to do arcades? Or I thought we were going to go to her house.
So bougie. See, I wanted to go
You
to the
set me
arcade.
up. You
I wanted to
set
go
me
to the
up.
arcade.
Fine.
And
Do you know
now...
what? Let's go. It's quite small.
Is your head too big?
Yeah.
It's your Uncle Tony. Come get a pizza. Hello, we're back.
Hi.
We went to Soho House for a drink, and you can't film in there, so you couldn't come. But
Celebrities in there though, weren't there? Celebrities.
yeah, there was Danny Minogue sat next to us.
Yeah. Wow.
So that was very tempting to just go over and just be like, "G'day, mate." Big fan.
Yeah.
The sun's coming out a bit now. We saw it like raining a little bit while we were in there. Now we're just going to check into the hotel. Then we're going to the darts place at 4. Yeah, check in, do a little room tour, get settled, and then we're back out again. Hopefully it stays nice and sunny.
See you in a bit.
Here we are in the hotel. We are very late to our darts thing, but it's okay.
You've had to email them as well because it's impossible to find a phone number for them, which is so 2024.
I know, classic. But we'll show you around the room. It's quite cute. We just checked in. It is like, hang on, I'll start from the door. So there's like an entryway. Okay, you ready? Hi.
Hi.
So this is the room. It's like quite cute. This is like the TV.
Chic.
It's just all of our stuff over here. It is very chic. The view is not
Best.
incredible, but like gorgeous windows, lots of light.
High ceilings, man. And look at that cornicing. It's absolutely
The
beautiful.
cornicing, very high ceilings. Put your hands up.
And I'm 6'3". I'm 6'3". It's
You had to get that in the video, didn't you?
Huh?
There's this little Smeg fridge. It's got like loads of stuff in it. Look at this cute little milk. I saw this earlier. It's so cute. Yeah, there's like cans of water, Trip, juices. Very cute. Smeg.
Yeah. Oh, you get an umbrella, which is handy. It's been raining.
This is like the coffee machine area. They are so good.
Turnix caramel wafer biscuits.
Very cute. And then this is the bathroom. It's quite intimate in terms of like this is the bed and this is the toilet. So, but it's like very nice. Robes. These are so cute.
But the one downside of this room is you can hear all of the music from downstairs.
Yeah.
We are in room number 1 and I can hear Groove is in the Heart downstairs.
Let's hightail it to players and we'll see you on the other side. Okay,
Over until the fat lady sings.
you've got
One life,
one life left and I'm doing great. That's me. Nothing.
It's f***ing fix.
So we've just come out of darts.
It was a scam.
It was not a scam because I won.
You didn't win. We've been over this.
Yeah, a successful afternoon. Even though we were a bit late, they gave us the extra time, so we didn't have less time. So that was good. I'm gonna figure out what to do next. Someone from the hotel suggested that we go to a Mexican restaurant.
Can you remember what it was called?
Las Choice or something.
It's in the North Lanes, I remember that. I haven't given full updates about loads of stuff. Your Prada
Oh my
sunglasses
God, my Prada
broken.
Sunglasses broke. I'm
Snapped on the bottom.
so upset. I wear these all the time.
That's what you get for buying them from Wembley Market. You know what I mean?
So where have we come to?
We have come to a place called Globals, which is kind of like a mini golf place, but they also have like a thing called Carnival Games. I booked something called the Date Package.
Yeah.
Because that meant we got one round of golf and the Carnival Games for £45 for the two of us,
Yeah.
I think, total. So
And-
£45 total. But I didn't realise this at the time. I thought that was just for those two things. But it came with these glasses, which, you know, obviously a
So
fetching
cool.
fashion accessory. And it also came with one free cocktail. I got some kind of coconut thing. Maisha's one is here. But yeah, no, looking forward to this. Let's do it. Have you just taken your shoes off?
Yeah.
How many points are you on?
500. This is going to get me 500 points.
You ain't doing this one, mate. You just scraped to the last one. Good luck.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
She stubbed her toe.
Due to a medical emergency, I've had to pull out of the limbo games.
Maisha nearly broke her toe,
Yeah,
but it's fine.
I'm in recovery. I'm in remission. I'm seeing my physio, and I'm just here to root for my teammate.
We're actually going against each other, but it's fine. I am not confident on this game. Just throwing that out
You're
there.
very tall.
Yeah, it's very weighted against me.
Well done, 100 points.
That's harder than I thought.
Yeah.
Losing layers, maybe.
Okay. We have both been injured by the limbo in different ways. But he's still going to try for 500.
I'll have to be hospitalised for me not to try it. No. It's impossible.
Wow, wow.
This is a joke. Hello, we have just left Globals. It's now golden hour in Brighton, which means
Really nice.
the sun is really nice. Let me get in it properly though, like here, so it illuminates me better.
I thought it was really fun.
Yeah?
I thought it was good. I think we've definitely injured ourselves a fair bit. I think tomorrow morning we'll wake up feeling a bit sore, a bit
Yeah.
worse for wear.
Today we're all about the fun though, because
Yeah.
we're in Brighton and that's what it's all about. So earlier we did the darts, which you were really good at, but it was a draw.
Yeah.
And then we did the golf, which you won by 1 point.
Then we did the carnival game,
Which I annihilated you, let's be honest. But we don't have to. Now we're probably going to go and get some food, or we're going to go to a video game bar. We're going to do those two things, but we don't know what order.
Which order? Unsure.
To be continued.
But we're quite far out. We had to get a cab here, so there's no potential of walking back. But it was fun. Out of 10.
I would say it's definitely worth coming to if you're coming to Brighton. It's a cab out of town, but like I would recommend it just because it's a little bit different to, you know, the pier and the stuff that's concentrated around there. Just because you have to come a little bit further away from there. It sounds like a weird thing to say, but it's a bit more real. It's a bit more kind of like part of the, like I can imagine people from Brighton coming here as opposed to the pier. Like being a Londoner, when people say, oh, I'm going to look at Big Ben, I'm like, that's lame. Like I imagine people from Brighton say that about the pier and stuff like that. So coming here a little bit further away.
Less commercial.
A nice Asda just over there and a Harvester just over there.
All of your needs.
So I would recommend anyway. Long-winded way of saying that. Right, should we get a cab? Yeah. Let's do it.
We just finished playing some games at the World's End.
Yeah, we played air hockey. The first go was very close. It's first to 7, isn't it? I think I won like 7-5 or something like that. Then the second go started off well for you.
Absolutely demolished.
You went 1-0 up.
Yeah.
And then I got 7 in a row.
Well,
Won that. We went on Time Crisis before that. Time Crisis 2.
we went on Time Crisis. I did
And
better than usual.
Considering you had never played it before.
I think it's quite hard, like for people who don't really play like arcade games. There's no shoot point.
Like a cross
an
or whatever.
There's none of that. So it's like you're shooting completely blind. So yeah, it was super fun. We haven't eaten yet, so we're just going to finish these, I think, and then go to
Food. Mexican.
eat some food. But we are running low on battery, so updates from here will be
We're in the red, mate.
sparse.
Yeah.
So we didn't make it in time.
It closed at 10. We got in there at 9:15. And it was like, oh, it's been last orders. 45 minutes. I could have got quick quesadilla in that time. Instead, as you can see, we have made it to the world famous Five Guys establishment. So we went from kind of like a really nice Mexican, like cool Mexican place. Well, it looked really cool. It wasn't like a chain place. It was like really nice kind of like on the corner, little seating outside Mexican vibe to this.
Yeah, maybe we'll try and go there for lunch tomorrow or something. We still have yet to figure out the plan, but yeah, right now we're eating Five Guys for our day out dinner. So very fitting. I mean, we were having so much fun. We just lost track of time, so what can you do?
The outro for the day is just me taking off my makeup and telling you about what we did for the rest of the day. I'm taking off my makeup with these makeup wipes. I wouldn't ever normally take my makeup off with makeup wipes, but I forgot my cleanser when I told Nick about it. He went into the nearest off license and got me these makeup wipes, so this is the sign of a good man. The last time that we left you guys, we were in Five Guys, and then luckily pub next door was open and it looked pretty vibey, so we were like, oh, why don't we just go there? What was it called? Mash Tun. We went to the Mash Tun and I was like, I don't know if this is gonna be good. It was like really dead inside, but it was really busy in the smoking area, and it was great. We were just chit-chatting away, people watching, enjoying our nice little getaway, and it was just super fun. We ended up just staying there for ages. We didn't go anywhere else after that, and here we are, getting ready for bed. One final goodbye before the end of the day.
I'm eating a Burger King like deep in bed.
That was your good night from Nick. And we'll see you in the morning. Good morning.
Morning.
We checked out of the hotel this morning.
Yes.
11 a.m. checkout.
Which sucks. Who decided this?
Horrible. It was a lovely night's stay at the artist residence.
Yeah, really cool hotel.
Yeah, I would stay there again. So as you can see, it is so miserable outside. We decided against like mooching around and finding somewhere to have breakfast or brunch. So we've gone to drive a little bit out of the city centre and go to a place called Starfish and Coffee. We drove past it to park and it looks really busy. So yeah, hopefully we don't have to queue to get in, but we'll keep you posted.
Alright guys, we finished our breakfast.
Starfish and coffee.
It was good. What would you rate it?
Yeah, good. No starfishes on the menu, but you know, loads of coffee.
Disappointing. Yeah, it was really good. And we're just going to head home. That concludes our adventure in Brighton.
Yeah, it was nice.
It was good fun.
The weather could have been a bit better.
Yeah.
Because, you know, coming to Brighton / the seaside is normally like, I don't know, paired with sun. But there hasn't really been much of that, but it's still been nice.
It's been lovely. But, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully we will be going somewhere else very soon that we can vlog and enjoy.
We'll see you on the next one.